Right, he's had a bacon butty today, spoiling him. So, we didn't have the camera, we just took the acros out. As you can see, that was done yesterday, so now we can start packing up off them. Well, off this one here. So I've got a bit of patching here, and then 2 more bricks to go in there, and we're done. I'm just going to knock these loose joints out. It's all getting repointed eventually anyway. Obviously that'll be getting taken out and replaced, and that one. And I think they're going to do the tie wires themselves as well, so there's plenty to do on this side. We're just, even where we've built here, can probably be repointed with the whole lot in one go. It's only lime mortar, so it'll come out quite easy. Just keep everything matching then. So yeah, going to get a bit more slate in here, just to tighten this crack up and get these last few bricking. That window took a lot of work, but I think that's the biggest one. So let's get this bit of patching.
Lovely stuff, nice job Dad. There we go, that was hell. Is that going to be the end of this video?
Yeah.
Yeah, because it's a bit all over the place here. We've got doing this, which is done. We've got in there to do now. Oh yeah, it's not the end of the video, is it? Yeah, we've got the inside to do yet.
Oh yeah.
So it's not the end of the video yet. We've got you for a bit longer. Just this bit to do now inside. So a bit of patching here and then a bit of sorting out on this end because that part goes in a bit. So sorting out, but after a bit of struggling yesterday.
There's a bit to go on the lintel as well, isn't there?
Yeah.
One and a bit of pointing. And it just needs the damp course enough to see at the lip of the lintel.
Yeah.
This side, and maybe a little more putting in.
There we go. That was hard, getting that in.
That was a lot harder than everyone thought.
What didn't help as well, I don't think we mentioned, is that it goes in a bit here, it's like it does that. So as we were getting it right on one side, it was going way out on the other, and when we thought we'd just get it right, that end had popped out. So eventually we had to fiddle and get the best of both worlds.
It's got a bulge on the back.
Yeah.
In the middle.
But it's in, and it's all pointed up, and we've got little vents in with the cavity tray. And there's the evidence the tray's in because we've got to cut it back yet. So yeah, we'll time lapse the scaffold going down, and then we'll get in there.
So Clive will be on when I put him on after dinner. Still going to have a bit of dinner. There's our finished window. Completely finished because I've probably spent the last nearly 2 hours inside. I didn't film it because the battery ran out. It's just patching. So I've patched the 2 jams. Managed to get 3 ties in that side, 3 fishtail ties, and get 2 in this side. Notice the sloping down. 2 there, 3 there. Give it a bit of stability. So that was I was hoping to get that done in 2 days. That took 2.5 days. And all things considered, I think we did well on that.
Considering how long that took.
How difficult it was. But it looks great. As you can see, it's dead opposite the other one, so it matches. I think that's kitchen dining looking through there. Customer's doing a bit of grinding on the plant utility room, and Alex is making a lovely job of the little window that was in the chimney breast. There it is, there's the window. Great that. So we're going to have a quick dinner and get back to it, and then after when this is finished, we're going to get over there and do a bit of stonework. Should be finishing at 2:30 today. Should be. We've been working on a bit late, so instead of saying we want extra money, we're just going to back the hours and just go home with earlier one day. We need to get on our porch. So that's the plan today. Go and look at a job on the way home and get on the porch. So yeah, that's it. That was a big hole, that. A big hole. Now it's fixed. Right, see you after dinner.
There's the back done. Well, almost done. Ran out of mortar. Just ran out of mortar, and the cement's locked away in the lockup, and we don't have the key. So we'll have to. Once we're back tomorrow, I'll get this finished up. But it's just a case of pointing up, getting a bit of slate in here, maybe brace that a little bit, then point up and get that. Point up. That's not really sat on much. But, like I say, tomorrow it will be nice and pointed up and secure. But not too bad. I figured because of all the different shapes and sizes of these bricks, I'd do snap headers on the outside and then just do blocks on the inside, just to so it's a flatter surface to batten and plaster off. Instead of it just being bricks sticking out and all like that, now it's a flush with the bricks. Easy enough to plaster over. So yeah, and then there's Dad's work. Had to switch the music off, but there is Dad's. You can barely see it. Just had to turn the music off, but yeah. So I'll get done tomorrow, and then once that's all pointed up, I'll do a little summary and end off the video. So we'll catch you tomorrow for the tiny little bit of finishing off and the outro. Well, it's not pretty, but it's done. They just didn't work out full blocks, so we had all these. We got all these cut down the other day, and I've just like patched it all up and tuck pointed and what have you. Quite happy with that, to be honest. And this brick match, it was hard to find a good brick match because there's that many different kinds of bricks scattered around. You've got ones that were used inside, ones outside, some are too big. So finding them ones was quite nice. So that's one patch up, and there's two patch up. So currently as it stands, I think we're done here for now until the foundation that customers have dug out very nicely is concreted, and then once they got bricks and everything. So for now that's us done until they're ready. So a little summary, I guess. We got those two big steels, which was very difficult. Those two pretty big steels, which was a faff. That one had to come. That one got up to where it was, had to come back out, and then go back in, and then that one obviously had to sit on that steel and all that lava. Two bricking up jobs, one on this window, one on that window, the bay window. Been quite a big few tasks, but it's nice to see a good dint in it, because obviously there was points where I was like, bloody hell, is there anything getting done? But obviously once that little pillar came out, that's a big difference. All this floor coming out and just all these little bits and pieces making everything look better. Oh yeah, oh my god, how can I forget the most hard one of all, this window. Opening it up and making it a pretty little classic looking thing with the head from hell. So yeah, so obviously next is that when we're ready, and then customer's done a little template there for the window with a arch top. It's going to be interesting. I've never done an arch before, but Dad's pulled up. I think he's ready for me. So thank you all very much for watching the series of sometimes unfortunate events. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, be sure to leave a thumbs up, and if you're new to the channel, you want to see more, hit subscribe and tap on that bell so you know when we upload. Massive help. Any additional support you want to give, which is by no means necessary, there is the super chat under the video, and Dad's PayPal in the description. Like I say, not necessary by any means. It's an extra way of supporting the channel and us as creators, and we appreciate all the support in any form that we get. We appreciate you. So this has been Bricklaying with Steve and Alex, with a lot of stone, and we'll see you in the next one.